I first started meditating about, let's see, how many years ago? 25 years ago now, when I was going through a very difficult time in my life and filled with extreme anxiety and depression and all kinds of chaotic things going on in my world. I discovered meditation and I immediately latched onto it as it brought me extreme peace and comfort into my heart. As soon as I started, basically, I still had a lot of things to go through, a lot of releasing to do, a lot of healing to do, but with meditation, I was able to take a break from the feeling of chaos in my life. And when I would go into my heart in meditation, I would then be able to connect with the part of me that is transcendent to the chaos of the world. I would connect with my heart. I would gradually be able to slow down the critical voices in the head, in the mind. I would be able to align myself more fully with peace and love and hope. Hope that I would make it through to the other side. Hope that there would be a way for me to establish a better connection with the real me, my true essence, my energy, my higher self, and then be able to live from a place of love and kindness and forgiveness and peace and joy, ultimately. When I first started meditating, I wasn't even looking for joy because I didn't think that would be possible for me. I was so low that I thought I would never feel happiness or hopefulness again.